Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's me, Grace. So we're going for another sleigh ride today. It's super snowy. Today is negative 5 degrees Celsius and it's really cold. Pero hindi siya ganun kalakas. So, as you can see, ang dami nagsisleigh ride ngayon. So, most of them are kids. And this is the best time for sleigh ride. So, ito na yung pinaka-winter nila. And I think maglalast siya up to March. Sobrang kapal ngayon ng snow. Ayan. I will show you our sleigh. So, ito yung sleigh namin. Actually, hiniram lang namin yung sleigh sa kapatid ng partner ko. Wait. I told my partner to wait for a while before we start sleighing because to be honest, kinakabahan ako every time na magsasleigh kami. Siguro sa video mukhang pantay lang yung ground pero medyo steep din siya. At hindi din ako sanay mag-sleigh. Okay. Hey, control it, ha? Oh no, we're going there. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, lahat ng mga nagsisleigh dito is puro mga bata. Kami lang ang matanda. Yeah, halos lahat. This is really enjoyable. Kaya lang kasi kapag marami mong kasama mga bata dito, nakakatakot mag-sleigh. Kasi yung iba nakaharang. Oh, I'm here sitting on the sleigh while my partner is pulling it. So, I think this is his workout now. Faster! Faster! ko alam kung mahihiya ako kasi ang dami mga bata. Oh, we got stuck. Yeah. Oh. So, pauwi na kami after how many rides?
8.
After 8 rides. Sobrang lamig. Naninigas na yung kamay ko. So, yung ibang mga bata, dito sila nagsislay. So, sa ibang part. So, but majority of the kids are there. They are slaying on that part. Okay, so pauwi na kami kasi my hands are freezing. So since hindi ako sanay sa winter, kailangan may limit yung pag-slay. Kasi if not, maninigas ang kamay ko sa lamig. So guys, kakabalik lang namin from sleigh ride. And ito yung medyo ayaw ko sa part ng sleighing. Kasi pag uwi namin, yung sapatos namin, balot siya ng yelo. So, dito sa apartment, basa. So, ito yun. So, kumakapit yung yelo dito sa shoes. And, ang tendency is basa dito sa loob ng... And basa yung floor. So, even sa mga supermarkets, kapag heavy snow, makikita niyo yung sa may entrance sa supermarket, sobrang putik. So, maybe once we go for our next shopping, we will, I will show it to you.